Hello kids, now I have come up with the next topic, that is what comes between the given letters. Now see the chart of alphabets once again. Now in this I will explain you what comes between the given letters. Suppose here it's written A and here it's written C. Here nothing is written over here. Now what comes between the two given letters? Suppose here is written A and here is written C. Now in between what you will write? What comes in between? It's B. B bar ball. In between you are learning what comes in between. Two letters will be given to you and in between one dash is there. You have to fill that dash. Suppose here I have taken a letter B. See, I am taking the flashcard of letter B and I am taking the flashcard of letter D. And in middle I have put one blank for you. Now tell me what comes between the two given letters. First one is B and second one is D. What comes between in middle? What comes between the two given letters? After B, what comes? C ka cat. C ka cat. Now I will take another letter for you. Suppose I have taken a letter Q. Q ka queen. And another letter I have taken letter S. And in middle nothing is there. Two letters are there, Q and S. Now tell me what comes in between the two given letter. One letter is Q ka queen, another letter is S ka sun. After Q, what comes? Q, R, R, rabbit, R, rabbit. Now I have prepared a worksheet for you. Through this worksheet, you will understand what comes between the given letters. Let's solve the worksheet. Now tell me what is written over here. It's A apple and it's written here C ka cat. Now tell me what comes in between. It's B bar ball. B bar ball. Now look at here. Here one letter is written H ka hand. Another letter is written J ja jug. Now tell me what comes between the two given letters. Two letters are given to you and one letter you have to fill. After H, what will come? H, I, E, ice cream. Now tell me, here two letters are given, M and O or orange. After M, what will come? N, nest. N, nest. Now tell me what is written over here. X. Xmas tree and ZZ zebra. What comes between the two given letters? It's Y yak. Now what comes here? It's written Q ka queen and S ka sun. What comes here in between? Q R rabbit. Now last one. What is written over here? U umbrella. And another letter is W watch. Now tell me what comes between the two given letters. It's Viva van. That's all for today. You have to do the same in your notebook. Thank you.